A easy, delicious comfort meal. We have meatball in gravy and mashed potato with steamed green beans and carrot. This is a perfect, cozy comfort food. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, guys, continue watching. Also like the video, share, and drop me a comment at the end of the video. So let's get straight into this. Here we have some onion. I'm going to mince that finely with my garlic. Here I'm showing you my ground beef. We're going to get to that later, but first we're going to mince our onion and garlic. And I'll come back when it's time to put this together. So continue watching, guys. So here we have minced our onion and garlic. We're going to add that to our ground beef. We're going to also add breadcrumbs, some all-purpose season, meat season, some black pepper, and 2 eggs. I'm also going to add some jerk marinade. That's optional. Inside, I didn't use no salt because the jerk marinade has salt in it. And all these season contain salt, so I omit the salt. So I'm just going to mix this together, and then I'm going to use my ice cream scoop to get evenly sized balls. So let's put this together, guys, and I'll come back then. Form your meatballs and allow these to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. And then, after cooking all the drippings, we're going to leave that aside so we can add it for the gravy. For the gravy, we're going to need some onion and some seasons of choice. I'll put those that I'll be using on the screen. So for the onion, I'm going to just roughly chop these as shown. And again, we're going to use some complete season, some meat season, black pepper. We have cornstarch for the thickening agency. We have our broth, and we're going to use a bit of dark sauce. So first thing is to saute our onion, add our seasons, and allow that to simmer down until they're translucent. Then we're going to add our broth. But just continue watching, guys, and I'll come back in a bit. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment and tell me in the comment section what would you have with these meatballs. These are perfect with white rice as well. So tell me which one would you prefer. I'm going to make some garlic mashed potato, which I did a bit off camera. So here I'm just mixing my cornstarch slurry with a bit of the broth, and that's where I'm going to add my dark sauce. So continue watching, guys, and I'll come back further on in the video. Our gravy thickened, so now we're going to add our meatballs and all the drippings and allow this to cook for a couple of minutes just so they can absorb all that delicious sauce. And I'm going to finish work on my mashed potato. Gravy finished, guys. Look at it, very delicious. And this is how I serve it up to deliver. This was indeed an order. For the mashed potato, guys, as I said, I did it off camera, but I just show a bit of clip of me just smashing. And here I'm smashing away all my week's worth of stress at work. Yes. So I'm just going to smash this, put it in another container, and finish steaming our string beans and our carrot pieces. This was indeed a great, tasty, easy, comfort food. Yes, they really love this one, and I have to make it again soon. I do hope that you guys did watch to the end. Like the video, share, save, and until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.